Hello, my name is Sonam Joshi and today we are going to discuss chapter 2nd, the world population distribution density and growth, question number 4 part 2nd of subject geography. So let's start. Question 4 part 2nd, we have to discuss the three stages of demographic transition. So let's start. Demographic transition theory can be used to describe and predict the future population of any area, that what would be the birth rate or the death rate. This prediction is basically called demographic transition. The theory is dependent on that. So the theory tells us that the population of any region changes from high births and high deaths to low births and low deaths as the society progresses from rural, agrarian and illiterate to urban, industrial and literate society. These changes occur in stages which are collectively known as the demographic cycle. So let's all study what are the stages which occur during the demographic cycle. So the first stage has high fertility and high mortality rates, means that more births and more death rates, because people reproduce more to compensate for the death due to epidemic and variable food supply. Population growth is slow and most people are engaged in agriculture where large families are an asset. Life expectancy is low, people are mostly illiterate and have low level of technology. 200 years ago all the countries were in this stage. So this is the first stage of a demographic cycle. Okay, so let's move on to the second stage. Fertility remains high in the beginning but it declines with time. This is accompanied by reduced mortality rate. Improvements in sanitation and health condition lead to decline in mortality. Okay, so there would be a more available features would be available. Okay, so there would be more treatment of the people, so the mortality rate decreases. Because of this gap, the net condition to population is high and this results in population explosion. So for example, countries like India are comes in under the second stage. Let's move on to the last stage, in which both fertility and mortality decline considerably. The population is either stable or grows so slowly. The population becomes urbanized, literate, and has high technical know-how and deliberately controls the family size. Some countries even face negative growth of population. So for example, many Western European countries comes under last stage of demographic cycle. Hope this would help. Thank you.